Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalina and in today's video I have another DIY for you. So if you don't know yet, I am building a house now and I need a house number. So I decided to make myself one. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I thought it's really awesome. I will be making it from screws and a piece of wood. So let's get into the video. I have this plank from other projects, but it's too big, so I want to make it a bit smaller. I did make a line already, but I wanted to make the plank 20 centimeters wide, so I had to make another line. I'm going to cut it quickly off camera. I have my piece of wood now and I will sand all the edges by hand because I want them to be smooth. My first idea was to draw the number on a plank, so I did that. And I have my 5 here. And I will use the screws to create a 3D number, but first I will stain the wood because I don't like the color that already has. I have this stain from the brand Senses and it's in Meranti shade. I also use this one to paint my benches, so if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. Now I will let it dry overnight and then I will put screws in. But after I put a few screws in, I realized that this plan is not going to work because I can't make the space in between the screws equal and it's going to look horrible. So I decided to take a squared paper, tape it on the wood and mark with an X where the screws should be. I couldn't decide if I should show you just a screw montage or a time lapse, so I give you both. Enjoy! I finished putting the screws in, but I took out a few because I didn't like how it looked. And as you can see, the screws are not the same level, not all of them are straight, and because I have a problem in my head, I have to level them, and for that I will use a screwdriver. And also this paper has to go. Because I am a dum-dum, now I have to fill these unnecessary holes that I made, and for that I will use this wood filler from Polyfilla in the lightest shade and this spatula thing. I let it dry overnight, and the next day I went and sanded it again because of the filling that I did and the lines of the pencil that I still had, and then I stained it again. This is the final product and I think it turned out pretty good. I really like it. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to try this at home, just do it the easy way, not the complicated way that I did it. So you just need a piece of paper where you can mark your number and some wood, and that's it. The rest of the steps, you don't actually need them. I did that because I made some mistakes and I wanted to show you how you can repair it if you do the same mistakes as I did. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, leave a comment down below if you like this idea or not, and maybe you have some ideas that you want to try and you don't want to do it at home, so you want me to try it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!